Hello! If you're looking for a primer that not only grips your makeup, but protects your skin, today's video is for you. Now, I live in South Florida, and I've put all of these to the test. So I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 luxury primers, SPF primers, that protect your skin and keep your makeup looking fresh. I'm going to share all the details with you. I'm going to apply them so that you can see all the details, all the things. Let's get into it, shall we? So this video, it's somewhat of a continuation of the previous from my collection video where I shared with you my top summer skin tints. So I'm going to link that video for you if you have not checked it out. Make sure to check it out after this one. Now again, these primers are great to be used all year round. Highly recommend. Sun protection is vital. And when you double it up with a primer, why not? But especially during the summer when we tend to be spending a little bit more time outside. Now, a good SPF primer should feel weightless and layer underneath your makeup seamlessly. And that includes foundations and skin tints. I know a lot of us use skin tints during the summer and a lot of us use foundations during the summer. We never want any step of our makeup to feel heavy in any way. I also look for formulas with broad spectrum protection and a flattering finish, whether it be radiant, natural, matte. Now the primers that I'll be sharing with you, these all simplify your routine. You've got skincare, you've got SPF, and you've got a primer that's going to grip and hold onto your makeup all day and allow you to look great. And I will also add that I have used all of these all on their own. So I'll just use the primer as my SPF and my moisturizer and do very light makeup, and they work beautifully that way. So I feel that the products that I'm going to be sharing with you today, they're very well-rounded. Again, put to the test in this Florida heat, so I can truly attest to them, their performance, and just everything with them. Let's start off with the Skin Glow SPF 30 primer. How long have you been hearing me rave and on and on and on and on about this? And I just want to give a big thank you to each and every one of you that has purchased this and has given me a great feedback about it. Now this is a glowy primer, as it says, the Skin Glow, but in the most beautiful way. This gives skin that fresh, healthy glow while offering you that SPF 30 protection. This is perfect for your no makeup days or a radiant base under foundation or skin tint. For me, this one really leans more feeling like a skincare product than it does a primer or a sunscreen. Now, other than this prolonging my makeup, allowing it to look fresh for really long periods in my long days, I mean, of course, in the sun protection, but I love how lightweight this is on the skin. This is going to be best for the everyday glowy makeup lovers, and I think this works great on all skin types. I would say if you're more oily, tread lightly because this is going to give you glow. But I have combination skin and I love it. It looks great. And to touch on the packaging, it's very luxe. It's very nice. High quality, comes with a pump. And the simplicity. It's there. It's nice. Next up is my longest. Yeah, this is the one I've used the longest, repurchased the most. This is Bay. Okay. It's from Chantecaille. This is the Ultra Sun Protection Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Primer. This is the best of the best. This is silky, this is literally weightless, and it's oil-free. And of course, this wears beautifully underneath your makeup. Your makeup goes over top of this so smoothly and effortlessly. And it offers SPF 45 protection with a smooth, soft blurring finish. It's one of the few that truly feels luxurious and protective all at the same time. This has a nice high SPF, it's oil-free, it smooths the skin, and this one's good for all skin types as well, even oily. Now when it comes to packaging, it's kind of simplified in a sense. It's nothing over the top. It's just a little squeezy tube, and that's the tip, and it has a little when you shake it, because you always want to shake. Yeah. Next up, we have the 8th Day SPF Rejuvenating Priming Moisturizer SPF 30. Oh my gosh, this one has a long name. Hold on, let me do that again. The 8th Day Rejuvenating Priming Moisturizer with an SPF of 30. I just wanted to make sure I got that right. Okay, Here it is. This multitasking primer hydrates the skin like a true skincare treatment while offering the SPF 30 protection. This smooths and preps the skin so beautifully for makeup. You're getting a barrier supporting formula, a luxury makeup hybrid meets primer SPF through and through. And I really think that this is best for mature and sensitive skin. But all skin types can use this because the finish is just so beautiful. 8th day packaging, sleek, nice, comes with a pump, looks great on your vanity, looks awesome in the bathroom. We love her. Next up, Ciele. I know you knew Ciele would be here. This is the Ciele Prime and Protect SPF 30 primer. So this Ciele primer, it gives a soft, matte finish, very light on the skin, very, very comfortable. I will say, all of these SPF primers, except for Chantecaille, let me make that very clear. They give a little bit of a tint on the skin, but once they are blended in, it literally goes away. That's why I can use these, because there are so many SPFs out there, primers and all of them things. We know. We can't wear them. I can't do white cast. No thank you. This smooths your skin without feeling heavy, and it pairs really beautifully with skin tints or worn all alone for that effortless summer look. I do that plenty, and this is what I'm wearing today. Vegan and clean formula, blurs and balances the skin. This is perfect for the natural looks, the no makeup vibes. And packaging, I think it's simple, it's very Ciele, okay, with the green, but it's a little squeezy tube, and it's got this fun little shape here for the cap. And a little squeezy tube. Dr. Jart. This is the Every Sunday Ultra Sheer Priming Sunscreen Stick, and this is SPF 40. Of all of the primers, this is the only one I feel the most comfortable, other than, please hold, sorry, I had to get it, other than the Ciele loose powder. Using this to actually touch up your sunscreen throughout the day. Reality is, sunscreen only lasts a certain amount of hours. You do need to retouch, especially if you're going to be outside for really long periods of time. This is the only one I have found to be the easiest to do so over like a face of makeup. But if you're not wearing any makeup, feel free to retouch with any of the ones I've mentioned prior. This is really nice to just touch up your SPF because it's a powder with SPF. Like, hello. Anywho, it's back to the Dr. Jart. This is a clear, weightless stick. I love the convenience of this. This goes well, travels well, travels well. This glides on the skin so easily, and there is never a cast, and it feels truly like nothing on the skin. I really love that it's not messy, and it's really perfect for touch-ups on the go, and it leaves a natural finish that works over and under makeup. I really find this to be a summer bag essential, especially for those humid days. The stick format is great because it travels well and it's perfect for on the go. It's got that invisible finish, and this is really perfect and ideal for all skin types and really great for touching up. Again, this is of all of the SPF, this is the one you want for touching up. You won't have to like worry about it messing things up. But of course, don't like go in circular mode. Don't go crazy. You too gotta, do it the right way. So packaging, it's cool. You won't lose it. The color's bright, you know what I mean? So you pop the top, and I keep this little piece. I don't know. I feel like it's helping it. I don't know. And then you just turn it up, and there you go. So I'll show you how easy it is to touch up your makeup. You don't want to like go like this. You just want to do a light pass, and there you go. You've touched up. Again, I'm not wearing any base, but I am wearing concealer, bronzer, and you just go over. Again, this is the only thing that I trust for touching up as far as an SPF, and it does so really, really well. So I put my little thingy back on. So those are my go-to luxury SPF primers that will help your makeup look amazing all day, giving you sun protection and some skincare. I would love to hear some of your go-to favorite staple SPF primers. Comment them down below. Let's talk about it. I appreciate you being here, and I appreciate you spending your time with me. Please take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you soon.